Welcome to day number 9 of our 28-day challenge. We're going to be doing 2 Qigong exercises today. Shaking the tree and flicking water. These 2 exercises are great for unwinding and getting rid of stress, shaking it off, flicking off stress, softening, releasing tension. They go great together. Intuitively, we will be doing shaking the tree, and intuitively, when we feel we need to go in and do more, we'll use flicking water. Let's start with shaking the tree. So we're in this seated position. We feel grounded, especially the lower part of our body. Drop the hands. And experiment with moving the trunk. If your torso is the trunk of the tree, relax, drift. Like the tree is moving in the wind. And the tree is solid, grounded, rooted, but flexible. It moves, it doesn't break. It bends instead of breaking. So that's the trunk. We can relax and let our hands come along as branches. Relax and soften the body, and our branches can shake. So it's kind of like we're shaking off the stress. We can turn to the sides. Go up a little bit. Up high, shaking the branches. Any way that you want, but this needs to be very relaxed. Very relaxed. Teacher I learned this from also calls this world's worst dancer. And I think I'm doing a pretty good job at being the world's worst chair dancer here. But I'm relaxed. I'm uninhibited. I'm shaking the branches. I'm releasing tension. And then when I want to release more, the hands come up, the back of the hand to the ground, and then flicking down like I'm flicking water off of wet hands. So shaking the tree and then flicking water. And when you flick water, make a sigh and exhale through the mouth, like a sigh of relief, like the ha sound. Inhale, exhale, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Now, this is a good time to close your eyes if you feel safe. It helps you lose some of the inhibition. So you're there at home, you're in your sanctuary. Let go a little bit. Close your eyes. Let the tree move in the wind a little bit. Let the branches start to shake as the wind picks up. And feel your body. Feel inside your body for tension. Is there tension in your neck? Move your neck around. Is there tension in your shoulders? Let the movement move your shoulders around. Torso, move to the left, move to the right. And then flick water to pour all the stress into the ground in one movement. So shaking the tree, flicking water, shaking the tree, any old way. Flicking water, shaking the tree. Really getting the fingers going with some flicking fingers here, and then flicking water. Nice. I hope that was relaxing.